How to soak chia seeds. For breakfast, never eat dried chia seeds for breakfast, because what happens next might surprise you, and not in a good way. From painful bloating to choking risks, people are unknowingly making one simple breakfast mistake that ruins the health benefits of this superfood. But here's the good news. When you soak them the right way, chia seeds can boost your energy, clean your gut, and keep you full for hours. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Chia seeds are one of the most powerful and affordable superfoods on the planet. They're tiny, but don't be fooled. These little black seeds are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3s, and antioxidants. But here's the catch. Most people eat them the wrong way, especially at breakfast. And that one mistake? It could cancel out all the benefits you're hoping for. So here's what most people get wrong. They sprinkle dried chia seeds into yogurt or smoothies. Or worse, they just eat them raw with a spoon and chase it down with water. Sounds harmless, right? Not quite. Because chia seeds are like little sponges. They absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid. So if they go into your body dry, guess what happens? They start expanding inside your stomach, pulling in water from your digestive system. That can lead to bloating, gas, discomfort, and in rare cases, even blockages in people who already have digestive issues. So if you're eating chia for your gut, energy, or weight goals, you might be unintentionally doing more harm than good. If you've ever wondered how to soak chia seeds properly, or why soaked chia is so much better, stick around. I'm breaking it all down step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn a spoonful of chia into the ultimate breakfast power move. What really happens when you soak chia seeds? Let's talk about what soaking chia seeds actually does. When you add chia seeds to water and give them at least 30 minutes, they form a gel-like coating around each seed. That gel is made of soluble fiber, which does 3 amazing things. 1. It slows digestion, keeping you fuller for longer. 2. It supports your gut bacteria by acting like prebiotic fuel. 3. It stabilizes your blood sugar, which helps with cravings and energy. But none of that happens unless the chia seeds are properly hydrated. Otherwise, you're just swallowing a dry fiber bomb your gut can't handle. How to soak chia seeds for breakfast. Step by step. Now, let's break down exactly how to soak chia seeds for breakfast, without the guesswork. Basic soaked chia seed ratio. Use this simple formula. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 3/4 cup of water or milk. Soak time, minimum 30 minutes, ideally overnight. That's it. Stir the seeds right after adding the liquid, because they tend to clump. After 5 minutes, stir again to keep it evenly distributed. Then let it sit. After 30 minutes, they'll swell into a jelly-like texture that's easy to digest and full of benefits. Tip: overnight soaking is best. Why? Because the longer the seeds sit, the better they hydrate and break down, giving your gut more time to absorb nutrients in the morning. Are you already soaking your chia, or just learning? Type Chia Convert in the comments if this changes your morning routine. What to add to soaked chia for a complete breakfast? Now, soaked chia seeds alone are powerful. But if you want to turn this into a full breakfast that actually keeps you full until lunch, add a splash of plant-based milk, like almond or oat, cinnamon for blood sugar balance, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for taste, a handful of berries for antioxidants, or banana slices for potassium and natural sweetness. Optional but powerful add-ons. A scoop of Greek yogurt for protein, a tablespoon of nut butter for healthy fats, chopped walnuts or almonds for crunch and omega-3s. You've just created what some call a slow-carb, high-fiber breakfast bowl, and it'll keep your energy stable for hours. When to eat soaked chia seeds and why timing matters. Best time to eat chia seeds for breakfast. The best time to eat soaked chia seeds. 30 to 60 minutes after waking up, especially if you've had water first. Why? Because your body is in a fasted state, and chia provides fiber to clean your colon, protein to prevent muscle breakdown, omega-3s to lower inflammation and boost brain clarity. Bonus: if you're trying intermittent fasting, soaked chia seeds are a smart way to break your fast gently without spiking blood sugar. How long to soak chia seeds, and why less time isn't enough? Let's be real, some people get impatient. They'll soak chia for 5 or 10 minutes and think it's good enough. But here's what happens when you don't soak them long enough. The gel coating is weak. The seeds are still dry inside. Your gut has to work extra hard to hydrate and digest them. You feel bloated or gassy afterwards. Minimum soaking time: 30 minutes. Optimal: 4 to 8 hours, overnight. If you're in a rush, use warm water or milk. It helps chia absorb liquid faster. Why soaking chia seeds improves absorption. Here's something most people don't know. Soaking unlocks more nutrients. When chia seeds are soaked, the outer shell softens, which makes it easier for your body to absorb minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. Otherwise, some of those nutrients might just pass through your system undigested. This is especially important if you're using chia for bone health, hormonal balance, iron levels, especially for women. Don't just eat chia, activate it. Soaking is what turns it from a seed into a superfood. Holistic wellness. That's what we call unlocking your wellness, the holistic way. Common mistakes to avoid with soaked chia seeds. 1. Using too many seeds. 1 to 2 tablespoons is plenty. More than that, and it can feel too heavy. 2. Not enough liquid. Chia needs room to expand. Otherwise, it'll thicken into a paste that's hard to eat. 3. Not stirring enough. Seeds clump together fast. Stir once right away, and again 5 minutes later. 4. Eating it too soon. You'll miss the gel, and your gut will pay the price. Patience equals better digestion. The turning point. Now here's the big shift. Once you start soaking chia seeds properly and build that into your morning, you'll notice things change. Your gut feels lighter. Your energy lasts longer. You don't crash at 11 a.m. like you used to. And best of all, you're nourishing your body with one of the simplest, cheapest, and most powerful foods in the world. It's not hype. It's real. And it starts with soaking the right way. So here's the recap. If you want to get real benefits from chia seeds at breakfast, soak them. Don't eat them dry. Use 1 tablespoon to 3/4 cup liquid. Let them soak for 30 minutes minimum, overnight if possible. Add gut-friendly ingredients like berries, cinnamon, or nut butter. Eat within an hour of waking up for the best energy and digestion boost. And never forget, water matters. Stay hydrated or chia won't work the way it should. And there you have it, a chia seed routine that actually works. No confusion, no clumps, no bloating, just energy, fullness, and better digestion. Every single time. So if you ever wondered how to soak chia seeds the right way, now you know. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. How do you like your chia? Smoothie, pudding, or breakfast bowl? Start your morning right, and let your food fuel your wellness naturally.